Welcome to a gentle journey of calm and serenity. Allow yourself to settle into this safe space. Feel the weight of the day begin to melt away. Let peace wash over you with each breath. Let's begin. Find a comfortable position, lying down or seated, where your body feels supported and at ease. Use a blanket to cover yourself or a bolster to support your knees. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, feeling your chest rise. Then exhale softly, letting your shoulders relax. Allow yourself to be here now. Let's set an intention for this practice. A simple statement that resonates with you. Perhaps it's, "I am at peace," or "I release what no longer serves me." Hold this intention lightly as a whispered reminder throughout our journey. Feel it settle into your heart space. Take another soft sip of air, filling your lungs completely. Hold it for a moment, savoring the stillness. Then exhale fully, feeling grounded and present. Allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm. With each exhalation, release any tension you might be holding. Gently bring your awareness to the natural rhythm of your breath. Observe, without changing it, the rise and fall of your chest. Feel the coolness of the air as you inhale and the warmth as you exhale. Allow your breath to anchor you in this moment, in this place. Now let us move through a gentle body scan. Start at the top of your head, noticing any sensations or areas of tension. As you breathe out, visualize these areas softening, releasing, melting away. Continue to your forehead, your eyes, your cheeks. Let each part of your face relax. Continue this journey down to your neck and shoulders. Feel them supported by the surface beneath you. As you breathe out, let go of any heaviness, moving down to your arms, your hands. Allowing them to rest completely. Feel the support, the surrender, the stillness. Imagine yourself being gently cradled by the tranquil embrace of the Whitsunday Islands. The azure waters stretch endlessly before you, shimmering under the warm embrace of the sun. A gentle breeze brushes against your skin, carrying with it the delicate scent of salt and sea. As you breathe in, you can almost taste the ocean's freshness, bringing a soothing calmness deep within your soul. Soft white sands are beneath your feet, warm and inviting as they yield to your presence. Each step you take immerses you further into the peaceful rhythm of this serene paradise. Listen to the gentle lapping of the waves against the shore, a lullaby that whispers tranquility into every corner of your being. Birds sing softly in the distance, their melodies blending harmoniously with the ocean's song. In this magical setting, time seems to stretch and pause, allowing you to immerse fully in the present moment. Feel the radiant warmth of the sun enveloping your entire being, spreading a sense of peace and serenity throughout. The lush greenery of the islands dances softly in the breeze, a testament to the vibrant life that surrounds you in this safe and nurturing space. Here, you are free to let go, to surrender to the soothing energy of the Whitsunday Islands. Imagine yourself descending a gentle, sloping path. With each step, you move deeper into relaxation, into stillness. The path is lined with soft grasses and fragrant flowers, their scents mingling in the air, intoxicating and sweet. Allow yourself to be carried by this gentle descent. As you walk, you begin to count slowly from 10 to 1. With each number, feel yourself letting go of tension, of worry, sinking further into ease. 10. breathing deeply, feeling yourself descending into peaceful awareness. 9. With each breath, your body becomes lighter, more relaxed. 8. The air around you feels warm and gentle, a comforting embrace. 7. You are safe and held, completely at ease. 6. Each step takes you further into tranquility, into peace. 5. The landscape around you is serene, inviting you to rest. 4. You feel a deep sense of calm spreading through your body. 3. Every breath is a lullaby, soothing and soft. 2. You are held in this gentle space, free from all burdens. 1. A profound stillness envelops you, nurturing and kind. You are complete, whole, just as you are. In this space, affirm to yourself, I am calm, I am safe, I am whole. Let these words echo within you, resonating with truth and strength. Allow yourself to rest here in this sanctuary of your own making, free from stress, from tension, held by the gentle embrace of your breath. Begin to bring awareness back to your physical body. Feel the surface beneath you, the air on your skin. Count slowly from 1 to 5, gently reawakening your senses to the present moment. 1. Feeling the ground beneath you, solid and supportive. 2. Begin to notice the sounds around you, the gentle hum of life. 3. Take a deeper breath, letting it fill you with energy. 4. Start to invite gentle movement, stretching, rolling your wrists. 5. Open your eyes slowly, returning to this space, refreshed and renewed. Thank yourself for taking this time. May peace follow you. Namaste.